Monitoring and Evaluation, M&E Data Collection Methods by Hope McCadden, Modular 5, Part 1. Almost all monitoring and evaluation M&E work involves data collection. Data can be collected through many different mechanisms. Within M&E, there is little consistency in the terminology used to describe these mechanisms. Common terms includes tools, templates, methods, processes, approaches, techniques, frameworks, and methodologies. Introduction to Excel and R. Data analytics are increasingly important components of decision making in any business. Whether the project is part of a marketing team that needs to generate visuals to highlight industry trends, or the need to create financial statements, an analytical program would help develop reports and effectively communicate the findings. Excel and R analytics tools. Excel is a well-known software program included in Microsoft Office Suite used to create spreadsheets, execute calculations, produce charts, and perform statistical analysis. R is a free, open source programming language and software environment, which is frequently used in big data analysis and statistical computing. R has many advanced functions and capabilities. Monitoring and evaluation, M&E data collection methods by Hope McCadden, Modular 5, Part 2. Descriptive statistics. Quantitative monitoring and evaluation methods involve collecting and analyzing numerical data. There are two main types of quantitative analysis. Descriptive statistics are used to describe data in an accessible form. More complex statistical analysis is used to show changes resulting from a project and to draw conclusions. Examples of descriptive statistics include financial reports, simple tabulations showing outputs such as training conducted, seeds delivered to farmers, water points installed. Monitoring and evaluation, M&E data collection methods by Hope McCadden, Modular 5, Part 3. Identifying data collection. Almost all monitoring and evaluation work involves data collection. Data can be collected through tools such as interviews, observations, and surveys. A tool is a common method for collecting data. Tools include interviews, focus group discussions, observations, photography, surveys, and questionnaires. Tools may be used in many different circumstances and generate information that can be analyzed and used in many ways. Tools may also be called methods and processes. A template is an electronical or manual form used to record data. It's usually consistent of standard questions or headings with space to record answers and measurements. A methodology is a set of tools and processes that a form to form a consistent approach to data selected, collection, analyzed, and use. Primary data, when data is collected for their own purpose, is called primary data. When collecting primary data, The purpose should be clearly explained as part of the data process collection process. Secondary data sometimes refers, sometimes information is used for planning, monitoring, or evaluation that has previously been collected by other people or organizations for their own purpose. This is known as secondary data. Secondary data can be used at any stage of a project or program cycle. Monitoring and evaluation, M&E data collection methods by Hope McCadden, Modular 5, Part 4. Statistical monitoring tools. Many different methodologies can be used for data collection and analysis. Most are based around a core set of basic tools. These include interviews, focus groups discussions, observations, photography, videos, surveys, questionnaires, and case studies. Data may also be generated through direct measurements, reviewing secondary data, and informational project management resources. Monitoring and evaluation, M&E data collection methods by Hope McCadden, Modular 5, Part 5. Trend observations. Timelines and time trends are constructed to show changes over time. This makes them particularly useful, seeing not just how things have changed, but also understanding the reason and contributing factors. A timeline is an illustration of key events in the life of an individual, household, community, or organization over a specific period. Often, this will involve drawing a linear timeline and asking people to mark the timeline with key events. Timelines can use Timelines can be used to plot the progress of a project or program over time, highlight achievements and challenges faced along the way. Stop the project, stop the video, and discuss with your team how you would implement a timeline into your project.